Welcome to Tamil Crypto. I'm going to show you how we can clear the data from Anki's vector robot. So clear the user data so that you can reset, and if you're planning to sell it or you want to get rid of it and give it to somebody else, you can do that by pressing the back button on the top twice. Then it goes into this mode. Then you lift up your hand, or the lift up and down. That will get you to the advanced menu. In the advanced menu, what you got to do is you go to use the small the wheel thing here. You can move it forward and backwards. So if you go forward, what happens is your selection changes. I don't know if you see it. From exit to the arrow moves from exit to the clear. Okay, so then when you're done with that, you move the lift up and down. Then once more you move the wheel again on the side. It's very tricky to do while filming. Then you press the up and down hand again, and it will reboot and reset your data. That's how you do the data reset. Hope this information helps you, and I will put the information on the description as well. Thank you. Have a good day.